Hey guys, so this video is going to be a little bit different than my normal videos. I just wanted to share some of my art with you guys, some of my watercolor pieces that I've recently been working on, and you can see some of the improvements I've made. I'm still looking for my style, so I don't feel like I have a consistent style, but it's just something I wanted to share. This one is a lot more personal to me, so I hope you guys enjoy.
If I had a chance, I'd take it faster than a heartbeat. If I caught a glance, I'd run to you like nobody was watching. But it's so hard to get to you, 'cause when you see the sun, I see the moon. Buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are.